Whiteboard Video Packs 2.0 is a hot product that created by Kayte-Lee and June Ashley. It's a massive bundle of 30 emotion video packs which comprise of 500 plus professionally hand-drawn characters, expressive poses and elements. It comes with 3 art styles: outline, black and white and full color, giving you the preferred choice of art direction and helps you stand out from the crowd. Whiteboard Video Packs 2.0 will give you the advantage to start making not just another video, but videos that convert using the magic ingredient of emotions. How would you like to win the loyalty of your prospects and drive them to take action, giving you bigger profits and more authority in your niche? Emotion-based marketing is the secret ingredient that dictates purchasing decisions. Every day we feel hundreds of different emotions, and it is the magic which motivates every one of us to take action. By tapping into the pain and pleasures of your audience, it will help them to feel deeply connected to you and your brand. Emotional drivers are extremely powerful in marketing, which can win the loyalty of your prospects and make them feel desperate for an instant solution. As a result, the selling of your products and services will be accomplished by itself. Case studies proved that purely emotional content performs 200% better. Furthermore, in an analysis of a databank which contains 1,400 case studies of successful advertising campaigns with purely emotional content performed 200% better than those with only rational content. That makes sense based on what scientists know about the brain now, that humans feel first and think second. Most importantly, humans primarily act through the response of their emotions,